Hello everyone, Lindsay here with Nightscaping. Today we're going to be reviewing the installation process for installing a bollard on a concrete surface. The Nightscaping Bollard can be installed on virtually any solid surface, such as boulders or even an existing patio surface. The installation process for the stake-mounted bollard is the same whether you are installing on a 4x4 or a 6x6 fixture. For this installation, we are installing on a concrete footer. Place the 4 anchor bolts into the holes you just drilled. Place the 4 nuts and washers onto the anchor bolts. Place the universal mounting bracket onto the hardware and level. Slide and angle the mounting bracket until you have your desired orientation. Now, secure the mounting bracket with the remaining hardware. Slide the base cap onto the bottom portion of the bollard. With the bracket secure, run the wire through the conduit. Be sure to leave a service loop when installing the bollard onto the universal mounting bracket. As you place the bollard onto the universal mounting bracket, make sure you do not pinch the wire. Take the 4 included screws and secure your bollard to the universal mounting bracket. Leave 2 screws slightly loose for the leveling process. Using a level, ensure the bollard is straight. Once straight, secure the 2 remaining screws at the base of the bollard. Be sure to leave a 1/2 inch space between the soil and the bottom of the bollard. Finally, install the top cap to finish your installation. Instead of the standard top cap, you can choose one of Nightscaping's custom toppers. Thank you for following along with our installation tutorial today. Please feel free to leave us a like and comment down below. Until next time.